Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation Z-test. Definition: Z-test is a statistical procedure used to test an alternative hypothesis against a null hypothesis. Z-test is any statistical hypothesis used to determine whether two samples means are different when variance are known and sample is large and more than 30. It is comparison of the means of two independent groups of samples taken from one population with non-variance. Steps for Z-test. First, state the assumptions: coordination, random selection, large sample size or normally distributed, and the alpha is known. Second, state null hypothesis. State the null and alternative hypothesis and identify the claim. HA claim. Specify the level of significance alpha. Find the Z-score and p-value. Z is equal to x bar minus mu upon alpha upon square root n. Fourth, draw a conclusion about the null hypothesis and the claim. Z-test formula. Z-test: Z is equal to x bar minus mu upon alpha upon square root n. X bar is equal to sample mean, mu is equal to population mean, alpha is equal to population standard deviation, and sample size. When to use the Z-test? When samples are drawn at random, when the samples are taken from population are independent, when standard deviation is known, when number of observation is large and more than 30. One sample Z-test example. Assume a inventor wishes to test whether the average daily return of a stock is greater than 3%. A random sample of 50 return is calculated and has an average of 2%. Assume the standard deviation of the returns is 2.5%. Therefore, the null hypothesis is when the average is equal to 3%. Conversely, the alternative hypothesis is whether the mean return is greater or less than 3%. Assume an alpha of 0.05% is selected with a two-tailed test. Consequently, there is 0.025% of the sample in each tail and alpha has critical value of 1.96% or minus 1.96% if the value of Z is greater than 1.96 or less than minus 1.96, the null hypothesis is rejected. The value for Z-test. The value for Z is calculated by subtracting the value of the average daily return selected for the test or 1%. In this case, from the observed average of the sample next date the resulting value by the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number of observed values. Therefore, the test statistic is 0.02 minus 0.01 divided by 0.025 divided by square root 50 is equal to 2.83. The inventor rejected the null hypothesis since Z is greater than 1.96 and concludes that the average daily returns is greater than 1%. Thank you.